Hello viewers, this is Aditi Nair, ICRA's Chief Economist and Head of Research and Outreach with this month's Macro Podcast. So we've had an exciting month. We got the new data for the new series for both the CPI and the GDP, and this has led to some changes in terms of the way we're looking at the quarterly and the annual forecast for FY27. So the CPI data came in a little bit higher than what we would have thought on the old series. And our sense is that for FY27, while the average will remain around 4%, which is what we had thought earlier, the curve will probably be flatter than what we had initially thought. So a larger uptick in the initial months and then a flatter curve instead of a steeper uptick through FY27. That's what we're now expecting on the CPI side. And the GDP data, we got the new base again coming in, and some surprises that we've seen as far as the growth rates are concerned. First of all, we've seen that the size of the nominal GDP is 3 to 4% lower than what was expected estimated under the old series. But for the recent years, growth rates are actually higher than what we had thought earlier. So on the quarterly trends, the Q3 GDP growth came in at 7.8%, which is higher than what we would have thought. And the implicit expectation now is that it's going to slow down to 7.3% in the current quarter, which is nonetheless very healthy. And one of the considerations that now we, of course, need to be watchful of is how the current geopolitical conflict, how long it prolongs and how it affects various macros for countries such as India. For FY27, in terms of the GDP growth, we are expecting a slowdown from the 7.6% expected in FY26 to 7.1% in FY27, which is nonetheless very healthy and probably likely to be one of the fastest amongst the large economies in the world. That's it for this month. See you next month. Thank you.